Hi, how are you? One of the last things you want to clean up off of your carpet is the aftermath of dog diarrhea. Water stools can strike any pooch, especially if they're inquisitive and have a habit of eating things they should not. Luckily, you don't always have to rush to the vet and can treat symptoms with home remedies for dog diarrhea. Don't worry, problem solved. Here's some best remedies for dog diarrhea. Yogurt, cottage cheese, pumpkin, sweet potatoes. Yogurt for dog diarrhea. Plain yogurt with live active cultures contains good bacteria that help balance out the intestines. Add a dollop to a bland diet such as boiled chicken and rice. Cottage cheese for dog diarrhea. Plain cottage cheese can add good bacteria to the intestinal tract, which can help fight diarrhea. Add a small spoonful to their bland diet when recuperating from the diarrhea symptoms. Pumpkin for dog diarrhea. Pumpkin puree is high in soluble fiber, which is effective in absorbing excess water in the bowels. Administer 1 to 2 teaspoons per day to a small dog that weighs around 15 pounds or less. Larger dogs can have 2 to 3 tablespoons a day. Do not use pumpkin 5 filling. It is loaded with sugar and extra ingredients that are not good for your dog. Sweet potatoes for dog diarrhea. An alternative to using pumpkin to absorb excess water in their intestines. Feed your dog plain sweet potato puree. Do not use the yams in a can that have been soaking in syrupy sugar. This will only irritate their stomach. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.